southwestern Shelby County in West Tennessee until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near T.O. Fuller State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted: Haven, Germantown, Olive Branch, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Hernando, T.O. Fuller State Park, Memphis, Walls, Southwest Memphis, Lynchburg, Southeast Memphis, Whitehaven, Louise, Bright, Amania, Nesbitt, Weanduck, Kapleville, and President's Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Crittenden, Arkansas, and DeSoto, Mississippi, and Shelby, Tennessee. The current time is 12 over Lynchburg or over Horn Lake, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Haven, Olive Branch, Horn Lake, Hernando, T.O. Fuller State Park, Memphis, Walls, Southwest Memphis, Lynchburg, Whitehaven, Alden, Lakeview, Glover, Plum Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Mississippi and Shelby, Tennessee. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern DeSoto, northwestern Marshall, and south central Shelby counties through 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tennessee, he was last seen wearing a blue shirt, blue jeans, suspenders, and slip-on tennis shoes. He is 5 inches and weighs 160 pounds with gray hair.
Bro, what?
If any information that could lead to locating him, please notify local authorities. The current time is 5:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. at Memphis What? Heat index values up to 106 expected. Where? In Missouri, Dunklin, and Pemiscot counties. In Tennessee, Lake. Warning system on station WXK49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday, 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, if the severe weather threat persists into the following day, Wednesday, mainly reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, and in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR. This is a heat advisory for the following county: Lauderdale.